The Natural Resource Management students of this fall 2018 semester has decided to make an instructional video for our winter garden at the Natural Resource Management Center at Central Carolina Technical College.
The location of our winter garden is at the interim center beside the greenhouse. We have chosen the appropriate seeds for our winter garden, which is going to be protected by our trusty gnome.
We used the greenhouse while seedlings were in their early stages of growth to increase their success rate. Prior to this, we planted the seeds following the directions given on the seed packets and used tools such as trays, gloves, spades, and selected a well-drained soil. Meanwhile, we made sure that the sprinkler in the greenhouse was operational for proper water irrigation. Monitor as needed.
After researching appropriate spacing for each crop, we prep the garden by clearing any debris or weeds from the area and by tilling the soil for the seeds to be planted in. We then hand planted them each in rows. We did experience some difficulty when transferring seedlings from the cells to the soil. However, we were able to successfully transplant the majority of them.
Set up a sprinkler system to water the plants accordingly. Check the garden often to ensure the sprinklers are operating properly. Check for signs of pest or disease and treat as necessary.
Unfortunately, our garden did not produce any harvestable crops. The weather did not cooperate and the seedlings died. During a typical year, we would have dug the carrots up and cut the top side of the lettuce. After our harvest, we would have made time to sort through and cut any bad pieces off of both the crops.
Knowing what we know now, there are a couple things we wish we could go back and improve upon. For example, each seedling should have been planted individually once transplanted into the soil instead of being grouped. Also, we should have paid more attention to how the seedlings were being watered throughout the week. Even though our garden didn't produce anything, we still, as a class, value this experience for future reference and encourage you to try your own.